Hello and welcome to this quick introductory video on AirMagnet Spectrum XT looking at interferers. I have my Spectrum XT open, and the first place I'm going to look for interferers is I'm going to go over to my Interferers and Devices window. And I can see right now a digital video monitor in my system. Now there's a couple of ways I can get information about this device and help myself understand how it might impact my system. First, I can select it, then come down below. I can switch the view from my channels over to RF pattern. This will show me the ideal RF pattern for this category of device. Does not mean that every device will match this exactly, but this is the ideal pattern such a device will display in the RF, and therefore the sort of pattern we're looking for to create a match. If I would like additional information about this particular device, I could come over to the charts on the right-hand side. I will go ahead and change my spectral density chart over to a non-Wi-Fi interference chart. Now I have a list of all the events that I've seen. For my digital video monitor, I can see what the peak power was, the average power, what channel it was last seen on, what channels it's affecting, which center frequency it's on, its duty cycle, as well as how many times I've seen it, whether it's currently active, whether or not it's a hopping technology, or whether or not it's a custom signature. So I can get a lot of good information quickly and easily about this interferer that can help me in my efforts. If I look up a little bit at my spectrogram, I can actually see this interferer on the spectrogram. I can see a lot of energy located just a hair short of channel 5. Which would make sense because my non-Wi-Fi interference told me this was last seen on channel 5. So now I have a pretty good idea of what the interferer is. I can follow these same steps to get information on any interferer I may see in my environment, be it a baby monitor, be it Bluetooth, a microwave oven, etc. So these views and this simple process will give you the information you need to understand interferers when you see them. Thank you very much for watching this video, and thank you for choosing AirMagnet Spectrum XT.